So in this problem, we need to find out the value of a and b. It's given that we have a rational fraction x plus 1 divided by x minus a times x minus 3. So it has been resolved into two partial fractions given by 2 over x minus a and b over x minus 3. So let's begin. So here we are given the equation. We have x plus 1 divided by x minus a times x minus 3. So that's equals to 2 over x minus a plus b over x minus 3. So let's do one thing. Let's multiply throughout the equation with the denominator of the expression on the left hand side, which is x minus a times x minus 3. So that gives us x plus 1 equals to, we're going to get x minus 3 times 2 plus x minus a times b. This will then become equals to, we have x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 6 plus bx minus ab. We're going to combine the terms that contains x. So we'll combine 2x plus bx by taking x as the common factor. So we have 2 plus b times 6. Then we are going to combine the constant terms. So that's negative 6 minus ab. Now we're going to compare both sides. So comparing both sides, we're going to get 2 plus b, which is the coefficient of x on the right hand side. That will be equals to the coefficient of x on the left hand side. So 2 plus b will become equals to 1. Solving for b, we're going to get negative 1. And then if we compare the constant terms, so we have set negative 6 minus ab, that will be equals to positive 1. Or simply ab will be equals to negative 7. Now we have already obtained the value of b, which is negative 1. So if we substitute b with negative 1, then a value is going to be positive 7. Hence we have successfully found out the value of a. Hence our a value will be 7 and our b value will be negative 1.